flower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn.
There's a lot of small towns in this world, just like the one that I came from, where any dream you have is just a dream. It ain't nothing that could truly be done. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story about the day I set out to leave. As I was loading up and saying my goodbyes, some redneck Einstein said to me, well, I see you packed up your suitcase, and I seen you throw it in the truck. Headed off to the big town, are you? Well, son, I wish you luck. Now, I don't mean to bust your bubble, but boy, the way you're thinking's wrong. Go on out and chase that foolish dream of yours. You'll be back before too long. But you a plowboy, you ain't no city boy. Yeah, you were born with dirty hands. Yeah, you a plowboy, and you're thinking silly, boy. Just trying to make you understand. What you better do is put them overalls back on. Go on out and fix that old barn door. Keep your far-fetched fantasies to yourself. And fetch a load of feed down at the country store. Better yet, go on, have at it. Go see how high you can fly. But you best be back when that green leaf comes in, boy. We're gonna need your help come July. You a plowboy, you ain't no city boy. Yeah, you were born with dirty hands. Yeah, you a plowboy, and you're thinking silly, boy. Just trying to make you understand. Oh, yeah. Now here I am a few years later. Come a long way from that old farm. Got stocks and bonds and a house with a cement pond. Got a genuine Rolex on my arm. Well, I'd like to ask him what the taste of crow is like. See him face the fact that he was wrong. You see, I always knew where I was headed, but I never forgot where I was from. Yeah, I'm a plowboy, I ain't no city boy. Oh, I was born with dirty hands. Look at me now, boy, sure is a pity, boy. I couldn't make you understand. Go milk that cow, boy, and that wood needs splitting, boy. You best get back to baling me. Yeah, I'm a plowboy, but now look who's silly, boy. Now be careful what you say. Yeah, yeah.
I woke up the same way this morning, like a stranger in my own life. Tired and confused with too much to do, nothing left for my kids and my wife. Oh, I clung to that first cup of coffee, praying, God, won't you show me what's real? Out in the distance, I saw through the window a man on a tractor with a dog in a field. Oh, the dog walked just like he was smiling. The man drove like the world was alright. The tractor hummed on like part of a song that you sing to your children at night. His work was laid out there before him in rows of green. Fried pickles, drunk chicken, crawfishing in the creek, wild turkey, deer jerky, tough as Tarzan's feet. Hot women, skinny, swimming, barely belly button deep. Turn muddy river water into sweet, sweet tea. Hayloft loving in the holler kinda house. No doubt about it, what I love about the South. Ritalin, Baker's Mark, it's Kentucky as can be. Jack Daniels, Dolly Parton, hold the hills of Tennessee. Finger picking, bluegrass blowing in the wind around here. We believe the Book of John and we drive John Deere. The devil came to Georgia, Mr. Daniel showed him out. No doubt about it, what I love about the South. What I love about the South. If you need a Dixie fix, just to come on down. It's what I love about the South. Southern bells with a draw make you stop and drop your jaw. Come on, y'all, shut your mouth. It's what I love about the South. Daughter, get her done, got her dead. Corn grows in rows on a cob, but flows from a jar in a rocket top bar. A little fountain from the mountain even made the possum shout. Ew, it's what I love about the South. What I love about the South. If you need a Dixie fix, just to come on down. It's what I love about the South. Southern bells with a draw make you stop and drop your jaw. Come on, y'all, shut your mouth. It's what I love about the South. It's what I love, what I love, what I love about the South. Down by the railroad track, shooting BBs at old beer cans, choking on the smoke from a Lucky Strike somebody lifted off of his old man. We were